Hi guys, welcome back. Listen how to quickly change the Game Center account on your Mac. Want to switch to a different Game Center account on your Mac? Well, whether you are sharing your computer with someone else, juggling multiple gaming profiles, or simply moving to a new Apple ID, changing your Game Center account is quick and pretty straightforward. macOS lets you manage Game Center right from the System Settings app so that you can sign out, switch users, and even sync your game progress in just a few simple steps. That's it, let's get started. So first you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac, and then you have to choose the Game Center option located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to scroll down and hit the Sign Out option and confirm it. And then you have to enable the toggle for Game Center. In the pop-up menu, choose a different account option to sign in, and that's about it. So that's all it takes to change your Game Center account on your Mac. Once you switch, your game progress, scores, and achievements will sync with the new Apple ID, giving you a fresh start or allowing someone else to play using their own profile. If needed, you can always switch back by repeating the same steps. So enjoy your gaming experience on macOS with the account that suits you best, and I'll catch you up in the next one.